Hi everyone, it's Annelise from Delos and welcome to this tutorial on the Delos Mail application. If you're looking for a smarter way to manage your emails, you're in the right place. Let's dive into it. First of all, you can connect your existing mailbox, whether it's Outlook or Gmail, and access all your emails in one place. Delos Mail will help you auto-classify your emails and also generate draft based on your context history and ongoing conversations to focus on what really matters, your message. For example, you can say, propose 3 time slots to Arthur, beginning of next week, to suggest meeting times with the contact. As you can see on my prompt, I did not put any email address or the name of a company, but the system knows I was referring to Arthur, who's one of my colleagues I exchange with on a daily basis. So the system is able to find the right email address, and since it's a colleague, the system is able to find the slots we are both available, and I can directly send an invitation for this event. Then you can see that an email is generated. The email is now generated with the available slots and the right tone, informal or formal, based on your past exchanges. You will also have the possibility to edit your email directly on the email. For example, if I don't want this time slot, you will also can edit it directly with the improve button, the correct button, or even if you want to translate it. Then if I click on this send button on Delos Mail, it will automatically be sent from your existing mailbox, Outlook or Gmail. Then if we go back to the Delos Mail homepage, you can also use it to reply directly to an email. And it works the same way. The draft generated will be based on your previous exchanges. For example, on this one, my colleague Arthur asked me to catch up at the beginning of January to have some news about the deployment in Luxembourg. I will simply say, okay, to discuss on January 7th. Then the email is generated based on our previous exchanges, based also on the instructions I gave, and also on my writing style. How does it work? Because in the contact section, you will find profiles that are automatically updated as you chat, exchange with those people. For example, if we look at the profile of my colleague Arthur, you will find the email address, the phone number often extracted from the signature, the website of the company based on the email address, and a full history of interactions we had, and even a quick research that gave a better context. Arthur and I had 298 exchanges, and it's on all those exchanges that our emails are generated on all this context. This deep context help you personalize every messages. You can also generate an email based on a meeting summary or on a document, or even combine insights from all area of the platform to have highly relevant and smarter emails. You can also access your preferences in the top right button in the settings of Delos Mail. Here you can give specific instructions. You can also synchronize your email and choose the history range you want. And you can also personalize your signature. Like anywhere else on the platform, you'll find the prompt system. And for example, as a personal use, I have my prompt template for support replies. And if you want to know more about it, I invite you to check the dedicated tutorial. Well, that's it for the Delos Mail tutorial. If you still have some question, don't hesitate to contact